Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel TV. This is Megha Tandon. Today I am introducing my ebook, which is a coloring book made for a handsome young baby on his 5th birthday. Guys, this type of coloring book can be made in many softwares, but I selected PowerPoint as this is my first ebook. So I selected it. Let me tell you, I didn't took any classes for this or course. I just did it by myself with the help of some YouTube videos or coding classes. I just learned from the videos from YouTube, and believe me guys, coding is not as difficult as we think. वैसे भी nothing is impossible in this world if you are so much dedicated for that. So let's start with this file. Now I'm telling you how to use this file. This is a coding file, so this is a macro file. You can see the option here. This is the option. Now you have to click on this here. Now you can take the colors from here. Whatever color you want, you can take it from here. For example, you wish to color red in this box, so you can see yellow color, green color, whatever color you want, you can take it from the here. Now you just have to click here. See, this is the first slide. Now I am moving towards the next slide, which is this. Now this is a red color, or you can do some green or pink, whatever the color babies like. This is the next page. Many options are here. I just put the actual image here so that a baby can color like this, or you can do as your color likings. This is very easy. See how it works, how cool it is. Now you can do your work from home with this file. You make your children busy in this file, and you can do your work. He or she will do his work. He'll enjoy the file coloring this. It would be a great fun for children's. They can color by themselves what color they like. They can just. Now I'm moving towards the next file. They'll enjoy a lot. Believe me, with this file, their skills also do improve if they color like this. To match with this, you know. So guys, this is a file. See how cool it is. And this looks so pretty, and you can take all the colors. This is a color bar, like we have a brush, we have a color plate, so they can enjoy. They also learn colors with this. Many options are here: light, dark, gray, peach, brown. We have 2 3 colors in brown, like light brown, dark brown, so you can teach your kids also. There is two type colors, same color of two types, like light and dark we have, so they learn some new colors, new activities. Now you can see we have messages in this box. Whenever you click on this box, so you can see, like this. Here is, if I start with this, like he is happy. Next, we'll have a big party. Look at my party clothes. Now, a big strawberry cake. Now, we have messages. There are sandwiches, burger, cherries, muffins, ice cream, and donuts. So from this book, they'll also learn how to prepare a birthday party and how they things gonna be done on a birthday. Now we have It's a Time to Dance. Then Yuvansh blows out the candles and cut the cake. Everybody claps and sings happy birthday. Finally, the party is over. Yuvansh helps his mother to clean up. So from this, baby also learn to clean the mess after party. So they learn how to help mother. Now, this is the last one. He is tired and going to bed. So this is a file. This is a coloring book which I made to improve skills of children and to learn what are the things to be done on birthday, and so this is the file. Hope you guys enjoy this file. We'll come up with the more files, and these are the available for downloading purpose also. If you wish to download this file, you can go up to their website www.hrishnamdesigns.com and you can download it from there. We have introducing more coloring books and some more books for art and craft work we are introducing, but it will come in a week or a 15 days, so be ready for that. We'll come with the new coloring book or a new craft book. So till then, thank you, bye bye.